In this video, we will learn how to create effect like this. Okay, so we have this really simple ball model. It has very simple mesh structure. So I will use this to create that effect. You can just take any product. Now I will press Shift A and mesh and create a cube. You can take any shape here. Make sure the cube is little larger than our ball. And I will press 1 for front view and move it like here, and press R to just rotate it like 45 degrees like that. And so I am just going to first animate this. So I will go to frame 0 and position it like here, and I will just press K and add a keyframe at location. And now I will go to like frame 160 or 150 and press G and move it like here and set a keyframe at that location. So now we have animated this cube like this. We will use this animation to create transition. So now I go to like frame 100 and select this ball, and I will go to modifier. Here I will add some more geometry. So I will select subdivision surface to make it more smoother. And so let's add like 2 levels. And now I'm going to add one more modifier called boolean. And here in the boolean I want to use a difference, and I use this object. I will use this dropper and select this object. So what this is going to do, if I turn this cube off, you can see it cuts off this part of our ball. And we have already animated cube, so our boolean will also move. Now to give variation to this transition, so let's turn on this cube. We need to make this edge jagged so it doesn't look flat and not evenly cut. So I will add some more mesh to the cube. Select this, press tab and right click subdivide. So I will add number of cuts to like 50. Now we have much more mesh to work with. And now I will press tab and go to modifier, and I will select a modifier called displace. And so now we got some displacement. To add some more variation to the displacement, I'm going to press new, and I will go to this show texture tab, and here I will add cloud texture. And when we do that, we see we got some jagged cloud edges. So we can give variation from this size value. Okay, so now I will go to modifier tab, shift click and drag to slowly decrease the strength. Now we have some variation on the surface. If we just turn off this cube, we have now jagged edges instead of straight line. If you want more jagged edges, just play with the strength value. You can always control it from here. So far we have created this kind of effect here, like that. So now what I'm going to do, I want this part also feels like it is morphing and revealing this product. So to do that, I will just turn this off, and I will select this part and again add a modifier. From the drop down, I will search for displace, and I will again go to texture tab And this time here I will select, you can select any texture effect you want, but I'm going with the Voronoi, and I will shift select and turn the size down to give some variation. And if we go to modifier and we turn the strength down, you can see we got this effect. Now we are getting some outer mesh intersecting. To fix that, we can reduce the mid level to like here, and also I can go inside the texture and reduce its size to get more detailed effect. If we reduce the size, we can get some more variations in the texture. I'm going to play and tweak its shape. Point 0.2 for the size, or let's try 0.4. I think 0.1, it looks good for now. So we have this effect, but I don't want this effect to be on the full surface. We just want the effect to be around the edge. As we growing, we want our effect to follow this edge. So to do that, we are going to select this and now go to modifier tab and add vertex weight proximity modifier. And I want this proximity mode to take effect before this displacement node. So I will just put it on top of displace. To use this proximity node, we need to provide vertex group. So to do that, I will define vertex group first. So press tab for edit mode, +8 to select all vertices, and in data tab, and here in the vertex group section, click on the plus icon to create slot and just double click to rename to vertices, and I will select assign. You can always check by this select button. You can see we have selected all vertex properly. And if I go tab out and in the modifier tab, I will go to vertex proximity and I will select that vertex group we just created. So it applies only on these vertices, and I want this target object to be this cube. So I will just click here and just select this cube. So now we don't see any changes here yet. And in the displace modifier, we need to select the same vertex group as we selected in the vertex proximity. So these two vertex groups should be same. So now if we go to vertex paint mode, we can see our whole object is red. Now we will go to proximity mode and select geometry. So now we can see the transition, and here we will select geometry to face. So now we see blue to red transition. If we turn on the object mode, you can see blue color has no effect and red has full effect. In the vertex paint mode, wherever the values are red, we will have our effect, and wherever it is blue, our effect will not be shown. So I will invert this effect so we get our effect on other side. So to do that, we can play with these two values and just move it like here. You can tweak this value to increase or decrease the fall off. Something like this is good to me. So now you can see we have our effect, and as we go into the blue, it is fading out. You can also go to the fall off and you can select this smooth here to give some more smoothness, and again adjust the value. So now if I go to my object mode, let's just turn off this cube. You can see we have this effect. I want this effect to fade away at the end. So to do that, I will turn on this cube again and I will press 1 and go to front view. And at the last keyframe, I will move this cube just like here and I will press K and set the keyframe at location. Now you can see our effect is totally vanishing at the end. And now we have created this cool looking effect. Just to summarize up, we use these 4 nodes, which is subdivision, boolean, vertex weight proximity and displace. These 4. Subdivision is used to add more geometry to our model to see more details, and boolean is just cutting this part with this cube. And then vertex weight proximity to create this fall off effect, and then displace modifier is creating this distortion. That's it. You can always tweak the strength at any point, and you can also go here in the intensity. You can decrease the intensity and size to whatever you want. You can always adjust these settings to give more detail to the effect. Just add more subdivision levels according to your PC performance, and this will add more geometry, and you can again play with the strength. And now just set the background and lighting to get this cool effect. If you like this video, you can hit that like button and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.